Emma's Rainbow Show. Yeah. This week's shout out goes to
Fun Slime Time, Nia Mingo, Wishful X Dreamer, and Katie E. Thank you for following. To get a shout out, you have to
subscribe to our channel,
like this video,
comment down below, #rainbows.
and we might choose you. Isn't that right, Emma?
Yes.
And we'll choose 4 people, and we might choose it from other videos too. And you might get a chance for us to pin your comment. So yeah, now let's get into the actual video.
Hi guys, welcome back to Emma's Rainbow Show. Today we're going to do slime collection, and I changed my Instagram.
So what's the username?
Emma's Rainbow Show.
So without further ado, let's get
started. Here are all the slime, and there's 8.
So should we get started with the first one?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So we're gonna slide this first slime to Emma. Let's try it.
And this one is called Deep Sea Treasure. So yeah. And we'll be starting to show you.
So where do we get this one, Emma?
Well, we got it at a small little toy shop next to our house.
So this is a Korean slime. Oh, let me just say, see here are not Korean slimes except for these 2. But yeah, this is the only clear slime we have.
It's so pretty and so pokey.
So is this your favorite one that we have?
Yeah, it's pretty much. Now we can get back on the...
Now we're gonna do some ASMR for this slime.
So we have our next slime.
What is this called, Emma?
It's called Sky Blue Stars.
Okay, so we got this from supermarket, right?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. And wait, let me show you guys something. This one is the same base, but with pearls. So, yeah.
And stars too.
Yeah. So open it up, Emma.
It might be a little hard, but still it's gorgeous and precious pearly.
Yeah, it's also kind of rippy because all this slime that we got from Korea is slightly
Rippy.
Yeah.
But let's see if it's spreadable.
Not really.
It is pretty spreadable, not too real.
So now, should we start with ASMR?
Sure.
We have a next slime. What's it called, Emma?
It's called Raspberry Laffy Taffy.
What kind of slime is it?
It's, oh look, the container's same as the hair gun. I don't really know what type of slime is this. Is it butter?
Oh, I think it's like a clay. It's really sizzly, like God. Okay. But this is the most sizzly slime ever. But this one's also pretty sizzly.
Yeah.
It's slightly sticky, right?
Yeah, but I don't really care.
So should we do ASMR?
Okay.
We have another slime. What is it called, Em?
It's called Hello Kitty Jelly Donut.
Is it your favorite? I don't really like this one. It's a bit overactivated.
Oh, it's so hard to open. I love this slime.
It's hard.
But I love it. Because I love hard slimes that aren't pokey.
Because slime sticks to her a lot, so we just get overactivated slimes. So anything to say about this one, Emma?
Well, it is super stretchy.
It's not stretchy at all, in my opinion. Because I'm a very aggressive slime poker.
Yeah, you like poking sticky slimes. I like poking non-sticky slimes.
So now should we start the ASMR?
Yeah, I think.
Our second to last slime called
Watermelon Top Party. And the same thing. Oh, this slime is so buttery.
Yeah, I added a ton of clay to that.
Ah, so nice.
Anything to say about this one?
Well, it is quite sizzly, I guess.
So should we do ASMR now?
And kind of sticky.
Yes.
Just kind
Let's
of.
just do the ASMR. Ooh, this is the final slime.
And it's called Valentine's Day Cake. So it has these sprinkles and it's like a Valentine's Day pink color. So yeah.
Take it out.
Whoa, this container.
Yeah.
It loves sticking to the slime. It's so
Because
comfortable.
we added a tiny bit of snow here. Take it to like a butter slime texture.
It's so nice. Let's see if it's spreadable too. It is pretty witchy spreadable.
So shall we do ASMR now?
Yep. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to
Have a shout out?
yeah, in the first part of this video, it will show you how to make a shout out in my channel.
Yeah, and also follow Emma's Instagram at
Emma's Rainbow Show.
So bye guys!